In the shadows of the insect kingdom, a society thrives on complexity and precision, a society of the tiny but mighty, termites. This world of termites, as tiny as they are, is filled with enigma and sophistication. Nestled within the heart of this society lies a hierarchy that rivals even the most complex human structures. Our tale takes us into the heart of this microcosm, where roles are as varied as they are essential. From the diligent workers and soldiers, steadfast in their devotion to protect and maintain the colony, to the regal queen, whose sole mission is to ensure the survival and growth of her brood. But beyond the societal structure lies an even greater marvel. These minuscule creatures, despite their size, are capable of creating structures that are monumentally vast and architecturally complex. So, what if I told you that these tiny architects are capable of creating their own skyscrapers? Yes, you heard it right. Termites, despite their minuscule size, are the master builders of the insect world. Let's dive into the fascinating process of how termites construct their colossal homes. At the heart of every termite mound, you'll find a busy team of worker termites. These hard-working insects are blind, but they don't let this minor inconvenience slow them down. They're the backbone of the termite society, responsible for the construction, maintenance, and defense of the mound. When it comes to materials, termites are certainly resourceful. They use a mix of soil, chewed wood, fecal matter, and their own saliva. It may not sound very appealing to us, but for termites, it's the perfect building material. This mixture is not only sturdy, but also regulates temperature and humidity within the mound, creating an ideal living environment for the colony. Now onto their construction techniques. These tiny architects use their jaws to carry and deposit the building material. They work methodically, adding layer upon layer, much like how humans would lay bricks. Interestingly, despite being blind, they managed to create an intricate network of tunnels and chambers within the mound. Scientists believe they use pheromones, a kind of chemical signal, to communicate and coordinate their efforts. The design of a termite mound is nothing short of a marvel. It's a multi-level metropolis, with chambers for nurseries, gardens for cultivating fungus, their primary food source, and even tunnels for ventilation. The core of the mound is the royal chamber, housing the queen and king of the colony. There's a method to the madness, an architectural genius that ensures the survival and prosperity of the termite society. So next time you spot a termite mound, remember, it's not just a pile of dirt, it's a testament to the ingenuity and resilience of these tiny creatures, a symbol of nature's unfathomable complexity. And just like that, from a pile of soil and saliva rises a termite skyscraper. But these aren't just dirt towers, they are a marvel of architectural genius. Picture this, a bustling city with its own ventilation system, nursery, royal chamber, and intricate network of tunnels. This isn't a human metropolis, mind you. We're talking about termite mounds. First up, let's talk about the ventilation system. Just like our buildings need air conditioning to keep things cool, termite mounds have their own natural AC. These tiny engineers construct their mounds in such a way that the hot air from the bottom rises and escapes from the top, while the cooler air outside flows in, creating a constant circulation of fresh air. They have achieved what human architects have been striving for centuries: a completely self-sustaining and energy-efficient air conditioning system. Next, let's walk into the nursery. Termites have designated areas within the mound where they rear their young. These nurseries are strategically located where temperatures and humidity levels are just right for the growth and development of their larvae. The attention to detail is truly remarkable. Now, let's proceed to the queen's chamber, the heart of the termite mound. It's where the queen, the life-bringer of the colony, resides. The location of this chamber is no accident. It's positioned deep within the mound, protected from predators and external threats. It's like the termite version of a fortified castle. And let's not forget the tunnels. These aren't random burrows, but meticulously planned routes that allow termites to travel throughout the mound quickly and safely. It's like their own underground subway system. When we compare termite architecture with human architecture, it's astounding to see how these tiny creatures have designed such efficient structures without blueprints or construction crews. They use their instincts and cooperation to build structures that rival our skyscrapers in complexity and efficiency. This isn't just a mound, it's a perfectly designed metropolis bustling with life. It's a testament to the incredible capabilities of these tiny architects, a marvel of the natural world, and a humbling reminder of the wonders that exist in the world of insects. Now, these termite mounds aren't just architectural masterpieces, they also play a crucial role in our ecosystem. Let's delve into the ecological significance of these termite mounds, starting with soil quality. These mounds are a hub for recycling dead plant material. When termites munch on dead wood and leaves, they break them down into simpler forms. The byproducts of this process, rich in nutrients, are then returned to the soil, making it more fertile and productive. It's like these little guys are running their own organic composting facility. Isn't that fantastic? And it doesn't stop there. The termite mounds also play a significant role in maintaining plant biodiversity. The nutrient-rich soil around the mounds becomes a hotbed for various plant species. These plants in turn attract a multitude of insects, birds, and mammals, creating a mini ecosystem around each mound. Imagine all this diversity thanks to our tiny termite friends. Now, let's talk about something that's been on everyone's minds lately: climate change. Believe it or not, termite mounds also contribute to carbon sequestration. The process by which termites break down plant material results in the capture and storage of carbon, thus helping in reducing the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. It's like they're tiny environmental warriors, fighting climate change one mound at a time. Lastly, let's not forget their role in the food chain. Termites are a food source for many creatures, including birds, reptiles, and other insects. And their mounds? They provide shelter for various species, from snakes to mongooses. So, when you look at a termite mound next time, remember it's not just a pile of dirt. It's a living, breathing ecosystem that plays a pivotal role in maintaining the health and diversity of our planet. So these tiny builders aren't just architects, they are also environmentalists. So let's take a moment to appreciate these tiny creatures and their massive contributions. It's fascinating to think that termites, these minuscule architects of the insect world, are behind the creation of such grand structures. These termite mounds, towering high above the ground, are a testament to the termites' complex society and architectural prowess. As we've discussed, termites are not just builders, they are engineers who meticulously design their homes with a level of sophistication that is mind-boggling. They construct a labyrinth of tunnels and chambers within the mound, each with a specific purpose. From nurseries for their young to intricate ventilation systems that maintain a constant temperature and humidity, the termite mound is a marvel of natural engineering. But the termites' role doesn't stop at construction. They are also crucial to the ecosystem they inhabit. By building their mounds, termites help in the redistribution of nutrients in the soil, leading to a healthier, more fertile environment. Their mounds serve as a refuge for a variety of other species, from tiny insects to large mammals, providing shelter and a source of food. These tiny creatures are, in fact, environmental superheroes, playing a substantial role in maintaining the delicate balance of their ecosystem. Moreover, termites' architectural mastery has inspired human engineers and architects. The natural cooling system of termite mounds has influenced the design of energy-efficient buildings, and their structural resilience has provided insights into creating more robust human-made structures. But sadly, like many other creatures, termites and their habitats are under threat. Human activities such as deforestation, pollution, and climate change are endangering these tiny architects and the ecosystems they support. It's crucial that we respect and protect these creatures and their habitats. After all, they are a vital part of our planet's biodiversity and play a significant role in maintaining the health of our environment. So, the next time you see a termite mound, don't just see it as a pile of dirt. See it as a marvel of natural engineering, a testament to the complexity of the insect world, a symbol of biodiversity, and a reminder of our responsibility to protect these tiny creatures and their massive contributions. In the grand scheme of nature, no creature is too small, and every mound matters. Remember, every time you see a termite mound, you're looking at a testament to the marvel that is the insect world.